Central.
We got a 1017 en route. I'm about to pursue the dorms. So 1017 is a disturbance call. There's a possible party going on in the dorms. We're about to investigate, see what's going on. You know, we'll just check stuff out, make sure everything's okay. We're at the floor now. We're gonna head down.
Sergeant.
낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자
It's the cops, open up!
너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해
Hello, officer.
Excuse me, ma'am. We have a disturbance call about this area. Is that okay if we step in and make sure everybody's okay in here?
Do you have a warrant?
No, we do not, but we just want to make sure everybody's alright. Is that okay if we step in?
Everyone's fine. I don't think you can come in with that probable cause.
That is true, but I do have a right to see your licenses. Is that alright if you guys pull those out for me real quick?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, mine's right here.
That's 5 LS, Java 13 Central. 502.
A little bit intoxicated tonight.
No, sir.
Jennifer? Okay. Alright, is that actually a 4 Loko I see on that table over there?
Oh, actually,
As I observed from your IDs, you guys are only 18, and I'm gonna need right to step in real quick and just check things out because I have observed some alcohol substance, and you guys are not of age.
actually, it's an old bottle. It's from a long time ago. Just one of those token things.
Actually, I was being polite, ma'am. I do have the right to force entry now that I have probable cause, as plain view doctrine says. Is that okay if I step in now? I do not want to get physical and force entry.
Okay. Yeah, of course.
They have the 4 Loko can here. It's empty. I'm gonna have to start electrolyzing for that. I also see a shot glass, which is paraphernalia. I'm gonna have to start putting you guys in cuffs. Can I get a raise of hands who's 21 here? Is that nobody? Okay. I'm gonna start with you, ma'am. Is that alright if I just throw you in some handcuffs real quick?
That's 5 LS, Java 13 Central.
Man, screw this! We got 2 in custody. We got a runner!